Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for complete statistical analysis. RAISINS support data generation in two ways. AI mode using RA1 and Create Data mode. How to arrange data. If you are an institutional user, you can use RAISINS chatbot for generating RSM design. Start with a simple prompt like, build a CCD design template. Chatbot returns an input where you can select the design, number of factors, number of center points. Here you can either enter the names of the factors and their minimum and maximum values under study. Select the number of center points and blocking if needed. Once selected, click Build Design. This will generate a template for your experiment. Download this and fill the outcome of the variable for each factor combinations. Create Data mode. If you are an individual licensed user, enter your credentials and select the Create Data tab option. Here select the design and number of factors. In this demo, we are selecting CCD design with 2 factors. The number of blocks can be selected here. The minimum and maximum for each factor is given here. After entering the details, click Create Data. The live template for your RSM design is ready. You can either enter from here or download and fill the outcomes for factor combinations. Final data arrangement. The final arrangement of your data should follow these guidelines. Each column must have a heading with preferably no spaces or special characters. Use separate columns for each factors and the response column. An important point to note is that the data should be arranged continuously without any blank cells, rows, or columns.